Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. I've had someone bring their bike to me today where the steering was a little bit wobbly. There was a bit of play. So what he did is he tightened up this top nut when he realised that it was only nipped up a little bit. He's over tightened it and now the steering doesn't move at all. It's really stiff to move. So what he has done is he's done things in the wrong way. These are meant to only be nipped up to take out the play, but the actual tightness, the bit that holds the handlebars, if you like, to the fork system are these nuts here. So he's messed it up, but what I'm doing is I'm showing you on the stand so it's easy. I'll talk you through the process, and if you want to fast forward, I'm going to put this on the ground in a minute because it's much easier to take out the play. Okay, so here's what happens. You've got the fork system just here and running down to the wheel, and the fork also has a pipe coming all the way up here, and the pipe is attached to this stem and ultimately the handlebars because of this cap here. So this cap comes off entirely, and there's a nut, or a bolt rather, underneath, which attaches to that pipe, to that stem. So if I just, oh, it's going to be too tight. If I just undo this, goodness me, that really does need to be just nipped up, and I'll show you in a minute. So I'm holding this whole system up towards the bike so it doesn't all fall out, because these haven't been done up properly anyway, they're quite loose. But what you've got is, you've got a stem cap bolt with the stem cap. And if you can see this part here, this metal silvery part, this isn't part of this. This is the pipe coming all the way through from my thumb all the way up. So this is being held in place by this here. So the stem. So this bolt and one just on the other side off camera, they need to be tight to the right torqueness to hold everything together. All this does is takes out play, and that's got to be nipped up first. So yeah, the guy who did his best to sort it for his lad and save some money, he was doing the right thing, he was giving it a go, but it's not the right thing if you don't know how to do it. And that's exactly why I do these videos. So now you see the logic. I'm going to pop this on the floor and we'll get fixing. So we're on the floor now. The rear wheel has been braced, which means there's movement and play for the front. You can see that I have loosened things so that the handlebar moves independently. It's still a bit stiff actually, which means I think that maybe the ball bearings have been crushed a little bit by over tightening from earlier on, but we'll cross that bridge in a minute. If you were to lift up, I'm not sure if you can hear that knocking, but if you were to lift up the frame, you can see by the way that that tyre is moving backwards and forwards that there's the play, there's the movement now. So this is what I would do. Well, it's because it's what you need to do. You would remove these bolts, not completely, but just take out all the tension. So there's loads of looseness, and in theory, if this cap were taken off, you could lift the whole stem assembly clear of that pipe I was talking to you about, the one that is part of the fork. So we're going to take all the strength out of this one. What we do now is we're going to do the play test, and the way the play test works is you put your front brake on, which is just off camera, I know, but the front brake just here. Let's bring it up a little bit. Excuse all the tools in the background. And by braking, you can move backwards and forwards slightly with the bike, and you will feel the play. As you try and rock the bike backwards and forwards, you will feel the play in the handlebars. That's because things aren't tight enough, and that's where we're going to nip this up. So if I just bring us a bit closer in, there we go. So you can see it's moving freely. Now it's going to nip it up slightly. I'm just using a couple of my thumb and finger just to tighten a bit. So it's still moving really freely. Okay, it's starting to bite there now. So I'm going to do another bit of braking there, lifting up. And actually, that play has gone. Now I'm not going to steer left and right, because until these are done up, then the handlebars are still going to move freely. That's their purpose, that's their job. So what I'm doing now is I'm looking down the length of the bike off camera, and I'm making sure that everything is nice and in line. So the tyres in line with the stem with the frame, and ultimately with the saddle as well. When we know that's done up in a nice line, we're now going to do these up to spec. You often have the spec rating listed on the side of the stem. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have it. It'll be single digits though, which is going to be roughly, normally about 5 Newton meters. So it'll be a really good idea to get a torque wrench if you don't have one. Otherwise, it's a case of nipping up and just making sure that there's going to be no movement, but you can't over tighten it because you could potentially crack that post. Okay, there we go. Right, what we're going to do now is do another quick braking and see now if that play has gone. The play has gone, there's no movement. And for the ultimate test, we're going to lift this up and we're going to see what the steering is like. Much better. So, to recap, stem cap, no pun intended, this is how you do it. You loosen these completely, don't remove them, loosen them completely until they're not giving any grippage at all. Then we need to, if you've over tightened it, undo this completely and then do it up until it nips. Once it nips, put the brake on, rock backwards and forwards, see if that has removed the play. The moment it has removed the play, don't do it up anymore. Wallop these up to the right torque and you are in business, and we are job done. I hope that makes sense. I like quick videos and hopefully for you it ticks all the boxes. If you've got any other questions, you know what I am. Like, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.